Hi, my name's Trina. I'm a project coordinator, and over the next few months, I'll be facilitating some information workshops about the Disability Royal Commission, or the DRC. You might be wondering what's involved in our workshops and what we'll be talking about. There'll be a focus about what is the Disability Royal Commission and what do you need to know. We'll be looking at access and supports that you can receive in accessing the DRC. We'll also talk about how you can share your stories and the different options that are available to you. It's worth attending the workshops to get a better understanding and to be well informed. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to talk them through with you. You can look at our Facebook website or contact us directly to find out when the events and the workshops will be on.